Good morning, everyone. You know, this is sad for me. We have a hurricane yesterday and today. See that happen? The trees drop, is broken. Everything is the worst happened in my life here in Alabama. See the water flooding there, and I want to show you guys about the back. It's very sad for me and my husband because he's not here, but he almost coming today. See, it's flooding here. It look like a bay now. And my basement's a lot of water too. All neighborhood is in the creek. Is like this, guy. See all my greenhouse there is a flood away, and I'm good because my chicken is there fine. It's not flooding, not broken the house. Only a lot of tree torn down. This is the worst thing happened for me in Alabama. Is the first hurricane come. See my house of the door of chicken is broken too. See the water here. And this morning when I wake up, when I look there, the tank is turned down. So now my neighbor helped me a lot. See my basement is flooding. I'm very sad about happened this time. All neighborhood is like this. And also my husband duct is broken. The rope is gone. See guys, it's so sad. It's good I have a power. I have a solar power to use last night. It's not broken, but only on all neighborhood, all the electricity shut down. It's very sad.